Hey everybody, it's Dan Phelps with Learning Smoke, and I'm going to show you how to make the dip of your dreams here. I got smoked queso dip. Great for any gathering you're doing, whether it be a sporting event, whether it be a fight, football, family gathering, bar mitzvah, I don't know, whatever you want. Follow this video, follow this recipe, give it a shot. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you. So as I've got set up today, you'll see the background I have. Not as nice as what I normally show sometimes in my videos where I'm showing mountains and all these awesome things here. But anyway, just give it to you raw. That sounded weird. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what ingredients I like to use here. So here's what I use for this queso dip. So we got our block of Velveeta, that's a 32 ounce. We got some tomatoes. We got some green bell peppers. I do this because my family doesn't like spicy. You can always do jalapenos or poblanos if you want. I've got some minced garlic. I've got ground sausage I'm going to do, pork sausage. Well, actually it's turkey sausage, but I'll go into that later. 2 cans of Rotel. And then I've got some cream cheese here too. You can even see that in there. But anyway, so this is what we're working with today. Now, as far as the sausage goes, I'm actually going to be doing ground turkey. And I'm doing ground turkey because it is a little bit of a healthier alternative, but I know sometimes around the holidays when you really want to make this, even though it's not the holidays right now, sometimes around the holidays, ground pork can be really hard to find because a lot of people are cooking with it. So you can always use ground turkey as an alternative. There's tons of it available usually when ground pork is out. But anyway, ground turkey tastes really good. I mean, you season it right and you won't really notice much of a difference. There is less fat, less calories, so there is a healthier alternative to your queso dip. But anyway, let's get this started here. Cooking outside in the cold. Got my ground turkey sausage I'm doing. Once again, you can do pork sausage, that's what it usually calls for. You can do hot pork sausage, you can get the mild. I'd recommend one of those too. Sweet breakfast sausage probably wouldn't taste as good. Anyway, I'm going to season this up. And so this is where the seasoning kicks in. I put it here on the meat. I'm doing Smoked Junkie here from Spiceology. I got a buddy, Adam McKenzie, he makes this stuff with Spiceology. So anyway, I love the flavor of it. So we're going to cook this up a little bit more. And once it's ready, I'm going to drain it and we'll put it in the foil pan. As you can see here, we are done now. Remove this off the grill. You'll notice it's smoking a lot, by the way, and that's because it's cold outside. I'm filming this in late January, so that's why it's so smoky. So here's the setup. Here's how it's all shaken down. Got the 32 ounce block of Velveeta. Put that in here. Normally, I should preface this, normally if you have a bigger foil pan, go with it. This is what I had available at the store. So I'd say one size bigger than this would be perfect. But availability for what I had, this is what I'm working with. So I'm going to take some tomatoes. That's about a tomato or so there. And then I got those green bell peppers, which I said you can do jalapenos. But anyway, so I'm also going to throw in here some other cheese. Cream cheese. Going along with the ground turkey, I'm also doing, this is the Neuchâtel. Neuchâtel is 1/3 less fat. So to me, it tastes just like cream cheese. But anyway, so that's what I'm working with here. Just a little bit healthier. Now I've got Rotel. I'm going to do 2 cans of Rotel here. You may say, hey, what's the difference between the Rotel dip and this? The Rotel dip recipe is just on the can of Rotel. It's just 2 cans of Rotel and a block of Velveeta. Well, the difference is I'm putting in cream cheese, I'm putting in ground turkey or ground sausage, pork sausage that is, and then I'm also doing vegetables and other things in there. I'm doing garlic here. If you have fresh garlic, roll with it. I have minced garlic, so I'm rolling with that. So that is 4 cloves worth there. Now finally, I'm going to get the ground turkey. Here we are, ground turkey going in. Okay, that all looks really good. Wouldn't mind eating it as it is. Now, you do not need to mix this. You may be asking, do I need to mix it all around before I put it in? No, you do not. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it on the grill. We're gonna put it on the grill at 250 degrees over hickory smoke, indirect heat. Bye. Open that up. We'll put this on. Leave it for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come stir it and do it for another 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes now. Looks mostly the same, just sides melt a little bit, but it's 30 minutes in, so now we're gonna mix this around. As you can see, we'll mix it up pretty good here. That block of Velveeta, you could break it up next time to make it mix better. Anyway, so we're mixing this all up. And I may mix up one more time, because here's the thing. You cook for an hour. It's done after an hour. You can leave it on the grill for about 2 hours if you need to, just to keep it warm longer in case you get it done early and your guests are coming later. But anyway, we're mixing this all up. And we'll be back here in a few minutes. Well, not a few minutes. We'll be back in about a half hour or so. Pull this off. It has been another 30 minutes, making it 1 hour total. Look at this. I'll mix it around, but man, it looks like it's done. Look at that. Look at that. So good. Yeah, I'll just mix it around a little bit. I'll pull this off and probably let it sit for a minute and dig in. Here we are, the finished product. Oh my goodness. If you could just be here right now. Look at all that cheesy, easy goodness. I'm spilling some on the table. You know what? I don't even care. I'll just take a chip and scoop that up. Look at that. No shame. See? Now that it's finished, you made it to this point in the video, we're going to take some chips and dip on in. Smooth it around. You can share this or just keep it all to yourself. Knocked me out, so good. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit subscribe, make sure to hit like, give a comment if you'd like. If there's anything else you'd add to this recipe, let me know in the comments. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.